Magic in the air. Oh, yes. Today I am super excited to share a hidden secret with you that what works in the life when nothing works, then what is that one thing that works? And also, I'm gonna tell you what is something above gratitude that creates miracles in our life. So keep watching till end because at last only I'm gonna reveal what is that which comes above gratitude and create wonders. So this happens with us number of times that I'm doing prayers, I'm doing hope, no, I'm doing creative visualization, I am reading my affirmations on daily basis, I am doing everything that I know that is there in the books, that is there in the YouTube. Lot of things are there and I'm applying everything, but still nothing is working. Oh God, what's happening? I'm reprogramming my water also. I know you all have seen my video. If you have not seen, then go and watch how to recharge your water, because that is also a magical process which can start creating wonders in the life. But what happens when you are doing everything and you feel like no, nothing is happening? Then that's what is that one thing or two thing that always works when nothing works. So what is that first thing that always works whatever happens in the universe, whatever the worst situation is going around? But that one thing always works, and that is infinite patience. Yes, infinite patience is the key to accelerate your results. Yes, whenever we are feeling desperate, oh my God, I'm doing this, nothing is happening, how it will happen, what to do, what not to do, what will gonna make it work? At that time, your patience, yes, the level of patience, your faith, that works at most. At this point, I remember a story I heard. There were two friends. One of the friend was asking the other friend that, okay, take my basket and fill it with water. And that basket was filled with coal, and that was very black and very dirty basket. And okay, then friend said, okay, I'll get it. So the friend went to the river and got some water, but there were holes in that basket. Until the time she comes back, she was showing the basket to her friend that, see, this basket was having so many holes, so I didn't get any water in this, only few drops. Then the other friend said, okay, just for me, go once more time and fill it with water. Basket was so dirty, black, and okay, somehow the other friend went back to the river again and got some water, came back to the friend, and again, because there were holes, so there was no water at all. Then the friend said, okay, just one more time, just go back and try to fill it. Then the other friend went back again, tried to fill the water, but again, she was back with few drops of water in that basket. Then the first friend said, did you see, when first time I gave you the basket, it was totally black because it was the coal basket. And can you see it right now? It's absolutely clean. Though you didn't get the complete filled basket with water, but you got few drops of water, and yes, along with that water, few drops of water, this basket is absolutely clean. So from this story, the takeaway is, when we feel like nothing is happening, no, some cleaning is happening. Like in this story, the basket got cleaned, you got few drops of water, the other friend got few drops of water. Same way, when we are applying so many techniques, it doesn't mean that nothing is happening. The entire universe is conspiring, is working for you, each and every fiber is working for you, cleaning is happening. Process has started. Just have patience, just have little patience. Like for example, like I have the seed of carrot and I sow it in my garden, and tomorrow morning or after a week I see, oh my God, where's the carrot is not here. Have patience. It takes 3 months to get carrot in your hand. Same way, for every manifestation there is certain time period for that waiting. Instead of getting desperate, have patience, have faith that yes, whatever I'm doing will definitely be going to give me the results. So infinite patience is the first thing that works. Now let's come back to the second point. So with infinite patience, the second thing that always and always every time works in every situation is gratitude. Be grateful for whatever you have. I take a simple example. Right now, supposedly, someone is looking for a job. He or she is not having job and looking for a job in the job market. Then instead of being desperate or getting frustrated, be grateful what you have, or be grateful for your previous work or previous job. Be grateful for your home. Be grateful for the food you are getting on your table. Be grateful whatever you have right now. And this feeling of gratitude will create amazing vibrations, and you'll attract what you want to achieve. So rather than focusing on what you don't have, shift your focus to the gratitude feeling what you have. Now, as I said in the beginning of the video, that I'm gonna reveal what comes even above gratitude that can do some magical, some unexpected miracles, and that is appreciation. Yes, when you are feeling like you are stuck, nothing is happening, I've done everything, I'm not able to move, I'm not able to do this, I'm not able to have it, I cannot do this, then one thing that works like a miracle, like a genie, like an Aladdin's Chirag is appreciation. Yes, start appreciating everything. If you feel like that there's nothing to appreciate with me, you can appreciate your own self. How happy I am, how good I am, how healthy I am. I appreciate my eyes, I appreciate my hair, I appreciate my body, I appreciate my hand movements, I appreciate the way I sit, the way I talk, I walk. I appreciate everything about me. I appreciate my friends, I appreciate my home, I appreciate my work, I appreciate the study, the learning, my college, my school, wherever, whatever I have done. Start appreciating each and everything at least for 10 minutes a day, and then just let me know in the comments that what kind of miracles you are experiencing in your life. So if you are feeling like that somewhere I am right with appreciation, with gratitude, or with patience, and you are aligned with these thoughts, then do subscribe the channel, share it with your friends. If anyone is in need, anyone you feel like is stuck, not able to move, definitely this will gonna help him or her. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one. Take care.